Hey guys, I'm Les here and today I'm talking about how to make rainbow anti-stress transformer. So here I'm using that same pattern. I already told you how to make that paper fan. So that is same pattern, but I am using whole sheet. You can use small, but that small is not more visible, so I am using whole A4 size sheets. So color you can according your choice, any color you can use it. So here I already did that paper folding and I open it, and after opening what I did, I fold this paper like this way. So first fold this way completely this and press tightly, and after that there's two part. One part bringing up this side here and second one here. So after folding it's kind of like this. I like that. After folding I again fold like paper fan like that, and after folding see like that. So we fold the paper 3 times. So what we do after that, like we can open this like this. You can see this side and this side also. Slowly, and after opening, see, did you see this? So what I did, it's going to either M or W. You can put upside down, so you can open like that. And here I am using big sheet, so I am using either 3 or 4. But if you are using small, so small you need 6. So see. So length, how much like you are, did you see the M? So you are adding, like I am using 4 together. So 4 I making same size, like how you open like this side according that, because after that you are going to paste it here. So here I using already paste that 3 and equal size, and after pasting it's look like that. And after that you can paste this one also, so it's going like that. So I have already one complete, but there I was 4 sheets, so 4 sheet is going to little wider. So wider like I was thinking if I'm making some wider so you can visible very easily, otherwise it's making little bit confused. So I use 4, but 3 is decent if you are using whole paper. So what you do, see, keep moving. So this is very good art for kids. They can enjoy, they can make their own, and then they keep playing like that. Do you see like that? So if you are going to make like small paper, so small is going like that, but small visibility is not showing like more. So that's why I use whole paper, but according you can choose your own choice. So see you guys and keep watching my video, and please like and share my video. Thanks for watching my video.